Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Morgan Taylor New York State of Mind and Beauty Big Bang XL 037. I started off with Dainty Digits, Glitter Be Gone. And here is New York State of Mind, that little mini Morgan Taylor I got from Sally's. Couldn't wait to use this one. So it is jelly. It's a black jelly with an insane amount of glitters in it. It's got pink and blue and maybe silver in there. It's just so pretty. And it's also got like a background hidden shimmer to it. It's just so pretty. So I'm going to cap my little free edge here. And don't worry, this one builds up like a champ. It's gorgeous. Look how pretty. And it doesn't even have any glossy top coat on it yet. I love this. I think my friend Randy said I wouldn't be disappointed if I bought a big bottle of this. Now, what I want you to pay close attention to is look at that brush. Well, if the camera would act right. It's a beautiful sized brush for a mini. I am going to top this with Jealous, which is my glitter filler top coat that I like to use. It helps those thirsty top coat. I mean, those thirsty glitter bombs. And once that's dried down a little bit, I will be going in here with my Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls so that I can get it to dry all the way down. All the way down. So that we can do some playing. Very excited about this one. And I'm telling you, when I saw that little brush on that mini bottle, I was like so impressed that the company would take the time and expense to give us a brush like that. Look at that. So pretty. I'll be using Beauty Big Bang XL 037 today. This is one of those newer lacy plates. I'm going to use that image with the 3 flowers. I'll be using Maniology's So Metal. It's a silver stamping polish. And I don't know if I didn't get a good scrape. I know when I swatched out this plate, this image looked perfect. So I don't know if I just didn't scrape good for my own nails, but the more full looking image barely has any peek through. So live and learn. I am going in with a piece of tape around my accent nails, my thumb and my ring finger, getting up all that excess stamping polish. Out of frame again. There we go. I'm going to top it with the smudge free top coat from Maniology. Love this stuff. And this is a very minimalistic design for me. And once that top coat's dry, I am going to top it with some Fast and Hard. And I've got some of those little fake gems in you know, from one of those decoration wheels. And I'm going to put some of those across on these flowers. Aren't they cute? I forget to use these all the time, so I thought I would try to remember this time. I've got my little wax stick that I believe also came from Beauty Big Bang. And I'm just going to plop those in there. I thought that they really did add something to the manicure. I thought they were really cute. I just forget. I forget that I have them. There we go on the thumb. And then now for that ring fingernail, we're going to go in and do the same thing. I'm just applying a nice layer of the top coat. One of them sticking to my finger. And then I'm going to slide those little stones on top. Another reason I don't wear stones much is because I don't like anything getting like caught up on my hair or, you know, anything like that. I don't have good luck. I don't use glue to glue them down, so after a couple of days they normally start trying to come off. But just top coating them with top coat. Alright, so I'm going to let them dry for just a little bit so that they don't move around. And I'm going to go in for one final coat of Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls and seal this one in. Hopefully those stones will stay put. There's that manicure in motion. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. I loved it. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.